All right, all right. How's everyone doing over here? It's 12:07, June 2nd. Futures are moving here a little bit. Starting off with SPY, you got the inside on the month and the inside the week and the inside the day. All right, so everybody's trying to bet. SPY keeps trying to get back up to those highs. From previous day, which was we're chasing 591.13. I think we got up to about 591.08 or something like that. So we got really close. So twice it's gotten kind of up there and then shied away. So stuck inside the week for sure. Stuck inside the month. We'll see. It's a good day. It's a good day. We're positive. SPY's up 94 cents, all right, 0.016%. So holding up fairly well so far since the day. And it did make a nice lower low too. Got all the way back down to 585.07. All right, but didn't get the lower low here. All right, so that's what's important. We're looking for higher highs and lower lows if we want to get back up to the highs. All right, so that's our SPY. We'll go to the Qs. Qs have been kind of they were real sketchy here, and on the 30, and then you got the 213, and then that kind of moved us up a little bit. All right, so still chasing about $5 away here to try to take the month from May. All right, so we're going to be stuck inside here, and you got the nice day upper. All right, which the SPY does not have, and the diamonds are the same way here. Chasing day big time here. All right, so it's about $3 and change if it wants to even try to get to the highs of today, but not too far off of that. All right, so we're stuck inside here. There's your weekly. It's important that we watch these weeks with these insiders. All right, we're looking for these ones to stay. We're looking to see if we can make some movement out of this week. Okay, that's the setup that we're looking for. And here monthly, we got a real challenge. 428.54 if you just want to triangle out May. All right, so we're kind of going to be stuck inside there. I talked a little bit about this morning about the sectors and how we're going to look at things. It's good to see that we have the weeks the way they are, because then we can kind of see what groups are moving the best. And it seems to me like financials have been pretty strong here. Inside, got a nice hammer on the day, right? It's been moving up nice with the 30s. And you got J.P. Morgan kind of just sputtered out in the last few minutes here. But the banks are doing fairly decent, all right? Let's see if it wants to come up for me here, J.P. Morgan. All right, there's J.P. Morgan kind of sputtered out on the 30, now trying to pick it back up again. All right, so there you go. It's got a 222, kind of stalled out, and now it's trying to pick up some steam, coming back again. Bank America is holding up really, really nice. I gotta say, it's got a nice hammer on the day. It's holding up here good. We'll see what happens by the end of the day. All right, Wells Fargo a little bit better too. So I can say that financials are a little bit. Wells Fargo kind of sputtered out. She's got that red hanging man. So we'll see what happens there. So that group fairly decent. Retail again, fighting back again with the retail. Kind of sputtered out for the week. Last week, this was it, right? Kind of just dojied out, and now you get a hammer coming back up on the day again. So retail keeps fighting back, but it's chopping right now. It's not doing anything. It's very quiet right now. There's not much going on. It's kind of the calm before the potential storm. All right. So XRT, a little bit better there. Healthcare. There's a lot of good ones and there's a lot of bad ones, and that's all I can say. 2-3-1 inside on the day. The day's not bad. That's not really a hammer for me. They need to tighten that up for me. And then here we are with the 1-1 again. All right. So Everything's going to play from the week for us this week, all right? So this is what we're going to be really watching for, just because we've got so many insiders and months that are inside as well, too. So we got to see what the weeks are going to bring here, all right? So June 2nd, we're only one day in, and we'll break away tomorrow on Tuesday. So we'll start to get a better idea of what's really kind of moving around, right? Because right now, today, you got control of the month, the day, and the week in one day, all right? So that will change big time, all right? So the utilities, kind of tried to get it going here and kind of sputtered out. It was a nice 2-2 up, and see if they can get their act back together here. As I'm looking at the diamonds as we speak here, coming back inside a little bit. All right, so there's your diamonds coming back in a tad. There you go, right? And then XLP, which I think this group should be a little bit better, but you got the inside. All right, so trying to get this thing back up to the highs, to 82.72. We'll see if the staples want to do it. We're stuck inside here, and that's the way it's going to be for right now. So we'll see. And I don't think anything's going to happen today. It's just too sleepy. It's too sleepy today. All right, so that old VIX kind of popped its head up a little bit this morning, and then it's gone right back into its hole. So back to 1889 on the VIX. Coming down on the broadening formation on the weekly. There you go. So VIX sitting near lows. All right. So we'll see. To put this thing away, and we'll see if they can get the rest of the market cooking here. All right. So a couple of mentionables this morning. We had steels out there this morning, and some of the metals. So look at U.S. Steel. They got it going here, and then they chopped, and that just fell apart. All right, so now it's shooter down inside day. All right, so they were, nice move to fall apart on. STLD was a gapper upper, and there you go, shooter back down, gave it all up. All right, look at this guy, Steel. She ran up, she puked it up, straight down. Nucor, NUE. Nucor, shooter back down on the day. Shooter back down because you got everything. You're in control of all three of these today. So Nucor coming straight back down on your steels. All right, so those three, they really fell apart. And then you had the metals cooking this morning as well. GDX. This thing is just a beast, man. All right, continuation to the upside. I don't see no stop in the metals, man. These things are continuing to go. Taking out the year here on GDX. All right, 53.83. This thing continues to move to the upside. Coeur d'Alene CDE. There you go, another one here, going back up to the highs. All right, now these kind of stalled out a little bit. And, boy, I tell you, they came storming right back. All right, now Coeur d'Alene, and then there's BTG in there. There's another one, it's already done its work. They've done everything they can do. Now we'll wait to see if they can really start pushing it from here. And then silver's in there, SLV. And there you go, silver up 4% today. 4.63%, silver on the move. And we got gold on the move, GLD. Okay, more continuation to the inside, trying to go back up to 317.63 on the highs. Look at this thing with the 2-1-2 week up. Gold, get. All right, so the metals, steel kind of fell apart on us this morning. Energy was showing signs that they were going to move this morning, and it was just a big head fake. XLE, I don't know where you're going. Came out the 6 with the 30 red right off the bat, and now it's just been chopping the rest of the day. We had Chevron gapping up here this morning, and they said no. It was up to 138.64. So still sitting inside there. All right, and then Exxon had the same situation. All right, so energy, they looked like they were going to be somebody this morning with the gappers up, and then they all just fell apart. So looking at the S&P 500 here on the SPX, I still got my numbers up there at, where did I write that down, at 50, 59.70, 59.70. And then on the downside, we're looking back down at 57.50, somewhere in that area. Okay, so it's a little bit of a bigger spread in there, but we'll wait and see. Nasdaq took out yesterday's highs on the Nasdaq. SPY didn't. SPX did not. And we're inside day here. We're two up on the cash on the diamonds, which is the MYMs. All right, so that's a 312 inside with the low. We made a lower low, so I'm gonna leave it there. And then the Mag 7 is really moving nice here. Meta is moving nice. I think Nvidia falls into some resistance once you get near 138. Amazon just got up to 206.14. She's starting to pull back in. So Apple keeps sputtering out. Mags has been doing fairly well. So watching the Mag 7, Google has gone flatlined. All right. So I'll keep you up, and I'll be giving you numbers for the SPY Qs and for the SPY Qs and the diamonds and the small cappers. We're going to keep an eye on those as well. All right. So have a good rest of the trading day, and be good.